My name is Jorge Araújo. I'm the director of the CVR, Center for Waste Valorisation, from Portugal. CVR is a research institute, a private non-profit institute in Portugal, and our expertise is in waste valorization. In CVR we have a multidisciplinary team. I have mechanical engineers, chemical and biological engineers, and microbiologists. And in this BBTWINS project, we aim to improve and to recycle and to have different routes for the valorization of the wastes of the meat industry and of the fruit industry also. I think in Europe we have a lot to do with this kind of industry. We have a lot of different materials that are not being convenient recycled for the many aspects. We can do, for example, material recycling, extracting some chemicals, some compounds that are useful for the society. Phenolic compounds, pectins, proteins, fats. And also we can, in these kind of studies that we do in, for example, the meat industry, we could improve the energy available, and you can have more affordable energy and renewable energy within, for example, the production of biogas. For example, when we have the waste from the pig industry, pig manure, the sludge from the wastewater, you can use that as a raw material in reactors in order to produce biogas. You can transform what was a waste without value in something with high value. It's biogas. Natural gas can be replaced by biogas. So they can, inside the same industry, if it's a big company, they can use the biogas within the company facilities. Yeah. Another example is when you are in the fruit industry, you have the processed fruit, but you have the waste, the byproducts of this processed fruit, and you can do, for example, composting. And then you have fertilizers for the agriculture and from the farmers. So we can do something like circular economy in this kind of products, of waste products. Yeah. It's always also the aim of a technological institute, a research institute, that is, you do some experiments on lab scale. Then you want always to do upscale of these experiments, and that is going to happen in these projects with the biogas and with the composting. So only to mention two of the examples of two different technologies for different waste materials or waste or byproducts. And this is quite important, because then you are in close contact with the higher scale for commercial products, commercial things. And with these results also we are feeding in the digital twin and simulate also the improvement and what you can get if you are doing some valorization, some recycling of waste or byproducts. So and now it's a hot topic in Europe right now, so I think we are in the right direction, and this is, I think, important for our continent. Yeah.